Welcome to MKE Gadgets. Today we're going to make helping hands. When you solder a few wires together, sometimes you need help holding the wires. And I have seen helping hands online and in stores, and I always thought they were too much money. I've seen them for like $30, and now you can buy them online for a lot less. But I can make this whole thing today for 50 cents. All you need is a few items. First of all, you need a cutting board. This is an old cutting board I had. I laid out a couple marks where I want to drill it out. Went to the tool show many times, and the company Lockline hands out this little keychain, like a little sample. So I always brought them home and I saved them up, and I got a couple of them. And you can't really put a fluid in there because they have this little hole in there. So I thought this would be perfect for what I'm doing today. The alligator clips, I bought a package of 4, and it costs about $1/4 a piece. So that's why I'm saying this whole thing is going to cost me 50 cents today. So let's get started. First thing we want to do is drill and tap the cutting board to accept the fittings. This is 1/4 18-inch MPT tap. We're going to drill it with a 7/16 drill. Placing a 2x4 underneath the cutting board. After we drill 7/16 hole, we need to tap them. I don't have a tap handle big enough, but I do have a socket, a 14mm socket that fits in there pretty good, and an adapter for my drill that's 3/8 shank. Put the adapter in the drill, put the socket on that extension, ran the tap through both holes, screw these in, run them in with a 9/16 wrench. With Lockline, you can get this really nice pliers. It's a Lockline pliers. So it says ball and socket in. You set it in there and you just squeeze it. Now with the pliers, lock one in. It says ball end up on there. The ball end is up. Place a segment in there. Lock it. Ball end up. Place a nozzle in there. Okay, like helping hands for soldering, you can pose these any way you want. So I have these alligator clips. I took a screwdriver and I just opened the end a little bit so it fits in there snug. Later on I'm going to use it a little bit and see, I might put a little epoxy in there or a little glue. So now when you want to solder some wires together, you twist the wires together and you place them in your alligator clips on your helping hands. Now we'll hold them tight. And then you can come in with your soldering iron and apply your solder there. And as they're called, helping hands, they will hold it for you while you solder that. This is MKE Gadgets. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.